I'm here with Mrs. Vinson to show how to do the community service hours.
Thank you very much. Community service is required for all students to graduate. It's 60 hours for the whole time you're here. That's about 15 a year. So it's not an insurmountable amount. And we can always help you find places to do community service. The biggest reason we do community service is so that you can get out of your little world and see what's going on in your community. We call it community service and community involvement because some athletes, the community gets involved and comes to see the games and the matches. So it's really an opportunity for you to get to know the community a little bit better. And a lot of kids have found out that they want to do certain types of jobs because of the opportunities they've had in community service.
Thank you.
Submitting community service hours is not difficult, but I just kind of wanted to show you on the computer probably the best and easiest way. Some of the classes have it on their Google Classroom, and some of them don't. So the best way I think you can go do it is to go to the Clark-Shawnee website, come up here to Departments, and then come down to Guidance. Once you come into Guidance, there's this menu down here, and you can go down to where it says Community Service. And if you have community service questions, there's information right here, and then you can also click on this and it sends you right to the Google form for you to fill out, and all you have to do is fill it out and hit submit. And then it'll come to me and I will register that into your community service hours.